When I get me Jello Balloon, I'm gonna be jumping on this thing, dance, bro. Ah. And yeah, so here we go.
Got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna roll.
That hurt. Oh gosh. Okay, that'll be this video, guys. Check those out.